Smeg retro-style coffee maker machine, 17.3x 12.8x 11.3, cream. Updated product features, new and improved keep warm function lasting up to 60 minutes after brewing, newly added sound control function, and our classic anti-drip system to keep your machine clean and dry. Design, stylish throwback to 1950s era appliances. Coffee machine comes complete with anti-slip feet, a user-friendly control panel, and water level indicator. Unit also includes a sleek 10-cup capacity glass carafe. Brew, multiple brewing options including a 4-cup function or full carafe for larger gatherings. Unique product functions, several customizable features that help to make this programmable coffee maker rise above its competitors, including an automatic start mode to have your coffee ready and waiting for you every morning, an aroma intensity function to cater to your preference, and an adjustable water hardness feature to tailor your own unique taste. Eco-friendly, designed with the environment and your wallet in mind. Coffee maker features a reusable filter with a user-friendly handle that does not require paper filters but can accommodate them if preferred. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.